for example, let's say I have some conflict with my husband and I'm not liking it. I want to discuss about it. And I have a fear कि उनको कैसे लगेगा. He may not like it. He may not be angry. He may not be upset with me. He may not be, you know, he may not talk to me for a long time. All this thing happens, and it has also happened with me. I think earlier days, and that's why I slowly, gradually stopped, and I was like completely, uh, you know, I completely shut down. And women does that. Women, any women, they do it. So here we need to detach from कि उनको कैसे लगेगा. It's about you need to speak up, but in a clear language, not in apologetic way. Ki sorry, I need to bring this up. Sorry, I'm hurting you. Not that way, but clear and firm way, in assertive way. That okay, these things may be going through, or I'm going through this thing, or I am feeling this way because of this. Usually, हम लोग जैसे in relationship when we discuss about some conflicts, what we say is हम blame करना start कर देते हैं. Okay. कि तुम मुझे नहीं सुनते हो, तुम हर बार ऐसे करते हो, तुम ऐसे नहीं वैसे, all these things. So it's like you're pinpointing always the other side of the group or people. So here, if you be very assertive, okay, I have been going through this and I need this. So it could be you need a change. It could be you need a boundary. It could be that you need to be heard. Sometimes we also speak to be just heard. ओके कि वो मुझे सुने, मेरे बात सुने. ये वाला पॉइंट हम भूल जाते हैं बहुत बार. हमें लगता है कि हम जाएँगे, सुना देंगे, आएँगे, बिकॉज़ and that also comes because we are suppressing our emotion, because we have been suppressing for a long time. So it piles up, and then one day it bursts. So yeah, I think these are some points जहाँ पे आपको assertive होना पड़ेगा. You don't have to apologetic and clear way में बताओ कि आपको क्या चाहिए. हम बहुत बहुत टाइम ना, अभी क्या होता है कि अगर हम fear के साथ में जा रहे हैं, तो it may distract you. It may not help you to be there and actually say the things that you really want to discuss. And at the same time, we need to also, you know, we need to also respect the other person's needs and space. So it should not be one way. It should be like mutual. आप भी बोलो and उनका भी सुनो. So it's like you go one way, the other person comes few steps.